What's up guys, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere, coming back at you from Miami, Florida, my hometown. Today I'm excited to bring you the 5th dish in my Indian dishes series. This is Malai Kofta. If you guys don't know what Malai Kofta is, it is an incredible Mughlai dish. It's basically a veg dumpling mixed with a rich and creamy gravy. Malai means cream, Kofta basically veg dumpling or veg fritter, right? Let's go inside Bombay Darbar and let's see how they make this delicious dish. One of my favorites, one of my absolute top.
The goal of this series is to educate you guys about Indian cuisine and show you the process of what goes into making these dishes while also supporting local businesses during these tough times. A recent survey found that 95% of businesses have been impacted by the pandemic, and 39% said they would be unlikely to survive without further government assistance unless sales go back to normal. President Biden has pushed the American Rescue Plan to help revitalize small businesses and supplement their lost income. But there are things you and I can do to help too, like being mindful of where you shop and supporting small businesses and local restaurants like Bombay Darbar.
Back in the kitchen with the chef, my man. Ready for Malai Kofta?
Yes. Malai Kofta. Vegetable and cheese. Cooked with raisin and cashew nuts.
So yeah, it's a cashew-based cream sauce. And is it right here? So just some very, very creamy gravy, and then you're gonna add those dumplings, right? That's veg dumpling.
That's it, dumpling.
So in 2 or 3 minutes, it's gonna be done. So basically just simmers, cools down, and that gravy goes into the dumpling. It literally gets infused. It's amazing. Yeah. One of my favorite dishes ever, man. Oh yeah, spicy, spicy, for sure. Oh yes. So that chili powder, everything spicy today. Ooh, so hot.
Wow.
Dude, this is the ultimate. This one, it's like every time, man, every time. And you know, some restaurants don't have it. I'm like, how is that possible? You have to have this. Malai Kofta, incredible dish. That cream. That paired with some garlic naan. So basically the main thing here is that cream base, right? Yeah, that cashew cream base mixed with all the things that he added, plus a little bit of that chili powder. Incredible. And now it's just like simmering, it bubbles. This is the best part of Indian kitchen, right? Just getting right here.
Yummy, right?
Oh, yummy, yummy. Dude, too yummy, too yummy. Ready? Yeah. Awesome. Look at that. So you put cilantro, you put cream, all the regular stuff, right?
Yeah, it's good.
That's it? All right, thank you. All right. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thank you again, thank you. Perfect guys, that is Malai Kofta. Let's go to my house. I cannot wait to dip some naan into that creamy gravy, beautiful gravy. Let's go. All right, my friends, we are gonna jump on Malai Kofta. This is a Punjabi dish. It is absolutely phenomenal. I love the creamy gravy mixed with the veg dumplings. It is so good. Now, if you guys don't know where Punjab is, Punjab, or I don't know if it's Punjab, please correct me on how to say it, but yeah, so this is India again, right? And then if you go up to the north, keep going north. So basically north is right here. North is like all this, right? All this north, this is Punjab, right there. So you have Punjab, you have Amritsar. I've been to Amritsar. Obviously, I've been to the other side in Lahore in Pakistan. That's also Punjab area, but different. And this is Punjab, right? So it's gonna be a delicious, creamy dish. It has these dumplings that will just rock your world. They are so good. And sorry, this map is being impatient with me. All right, so map is done. Let's get on this. So open it up. Look at that. Beautiful dumplings. So rich and creamy. So a little bit of that. I'm sharing this with my family, so I'm gonna leave the rest for them. And the best pairing really is the naan. Go garlic, go plain, go stuffed, go whichever way you want. Go like this, and then what you have to do is you have to go in here and break that dumpling. I personally consider this more of a ball, like a vegetable meatball or a meaty vegetable ball, right? So you go in and you break it like that, just like that. See how it falls apart so easily? With this beautiful, So here we're gonna have a lot of cardamom, a lot of cashews. I'll say, the butter chicken and chicken tikka masala gravy is ridiculous, but this one, probably the best gravy of all time. Oh my God, this nutty cashews. Oh my gosh. You just gotta pick this up, right? Just mix it in together, and you go like this, and you just like literally drown the rest of this naan into this cream. If you don't pair the naan with the gravy, you're not doing it the correct Indian way. My all-time favorites. When I open my restaurant, I'm gonna have my own version of this, make it extra spicy. And I actually made them make it spicy, and it's not like the other one I had the other day. I don't even know which one it was. I think chicken tikka masala was just super spicy. This was just right there, I think 7 or 8. Oh, it's spicy. Woo! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know where Malai Kofta is from, how it's made. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel Indian dish adventure. What's next? Is it saag paneer? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see you next time.